Hello everyone. Happy Republic Day to all of you. My name is Ananya Amajit Wadekar and my school name is Treehouse High School. Today I am a beautiful bird. Kids, do you recognize me? No. Let me give you some hints. I'm the national bird of our country, India. And I dance in the rain. And I have beautiful feathers. And my voice goes very far away. You can hear me for distance of 2 kilometers. My neck is long. I have a crown on my head. You heard it right. I am a peacock. Male peacock is called peacock and female peacock is called peahen. Oh kids, it's about to rain.